Hi there, my name is David and this is the Extreme Improv comedy show channel. I just thought I would do this quick tutorial in how anyone can quickly get some useful personal protection equipment that you can make at home yourself. Now, I'm not going to say this is government standard, but I'm saying it is better than nothing, and it's just with things that you can probably find around the home. All you need is a pair of scissors, as I've got here, a shoelace, and then I have here a Tesco Zero spelt with an X, like Extreme Improv, spelt with an X, Zero Cola bottle. So the first thing we want to do is just cut off the label. Next thing we want to do is just give it a little, don't stab it into your lap like I just did. We're going to cut the top part of the lid off. So we have this, and then we want to do the same at the bottom. So there are actually lines on the bottle which you can follow that you could do. So now you have a cylinder. So you cut it a long ways like that. You open this out. Probably the trickiest bit. You just need to make a couple of holes. Sharp bit. If you're a child, get an adult to do this. Make a hole there. So again, we just want a little hole. There we go. So you can unroll this and you'll have a hole there and a hole there. Put the shoelace through and tie a knot. And then the other side, I'm going to put it through. Oops. Oopsie daisy. I'm going to put it through here. And then I don't even need to tie it. Personal protection equipment. It's a perfect visor. You're not trying to win a fashion show, but no one's going to be coughing in my face without me knowing about it. May get a little bit misty here, so that's something that you have to negotiate. But very quick, 3-minute personal protection equipment. I'm just going to show you how you can customize it a tiny bit more. Here I have some black gaffer tape. Lovely. Let's go to the sharp edge of what we've made and we put it along, fold it over, tape, to cover the sharp edges basically, and you can quickly make some personal protection equipment using nothing but a piece of string, or a shoelace in this case, and an old fizzy drinks bottle. This is my audition tape for Blue Peter as well. If you like this, subscribe on YouTube to Extreme Improv. We do lots of comedy, and we may do some more fun ideas like this of how to survive the apocalypse. There you go, personal protection equipment. So you can see through it. It covers your mouth, it covers your nose, and this will protect other people. So that is going to catch most of that and stop it spreading to other people, therefore keeping them safe. Also, I think I look pretty damn sharp. Oh yes, this is COVID fashion at its absolute best. COVID fashion. Watch Extreme Improv. Click the subscribe. This took 1 Coke bottle and 5 minutes of time. So all you need is a empty Coke bottle, and now everyone has some see-through personal protection equipment. Homemade visor, 5 minutes.